Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. This is the Casio ABL-100, a cool retro-looking watch with a step tracker and Bluetooth connectivity. If you want to know more, check out our full review, link in the description. There are many connectivity features on this watch that we can utilize, but first we need to pair it with a smartphone. So in this video, let me show you how to do the pairing and what features will be available after that. Number 1. Install the Casio Watches app on your smartphone. I'm using Android, but the process is the same for iOS. Number 2. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. And then number 3. Open the app, go to the My Watch tab, and tap the plus or add sign. And then after that, enter the watch module code. For this watch, the module code is 3565. And then tap Next. Number 5. Select the watch model. In this case, mine is the 1A variant. And then you can enter the purchase date, edit the watch name if you want, and then tap Register. Number 6. Now, take your watch and press and hold the mode button until it displays CNCT or connect with a spinning icon on the right side. Both the phone and the watch should now be trying to connect. And then 7. On your phone, tap close once the connection is established. Number 8. Enter your bio info including height, weight, target steps, target energy, and so on. Number 9. Tap the Send Settings to Watch button. And then the last one, tap Next, and you're done. The app may offer to activate power saving mode. I suggest enabling it. Now that the pairing is done, here are some things that you can do. Number 1. Adjust watch settings. Tap the watch in the app, and if it's not connected, press and hold the mode button on the watch until it shows CNCT with a spinning icon. You can now adjust alarms, set the timer length, and more. Number 2. Automatic time synchronization. Go to the time synchronization tab and enable it. Your watch will automatically synchronize with your smartphone. But there's a note to turn this feature off when you're on a plane. On-demand time synchronization. So let me disconnect first. You can press mode button to stop connection. And now, while in the timekeeping mode, press the lower right button on your watch. The watch will now synchronize the time with your phone and also record your location. Okay, number 4, Phone Finder. This is one of my favorite features. Go to the Phone Finder menu in the app. Now you can set the track and volume. And then you can find your phone by press and hold the lower right button on your watch. The watch will display Find with a spinning icon and your phone will start ringing. Number 5. Detailed watch settings. Let me connect with the watch first. And here you can adjust the key sounds, and then light settings, time format, and so on. And the last one is step tracker data. After pairing, your step tracker data will synchronize with your phone. You can go to the My Page section in the app, and you will see your step count along with the time and place when using the on-demand time synchronization. And that's all for today's tutorial. Most of the settings are easily managed through the app, but I will also make a tutorial on manual settings. So don't forget to click like and subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.